morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about evolution. Evolution means a gradual development of more complex species from pre-existing simpler form. We are believing each and every organisms are created by God or superficial power. But in theory is completely opposed by Charles Darwin because the human beings are formed from apes. The human beings are formed from apes. Apes means orangutan, chimpanzee and gorilla. The bird are formed from Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx means flying reptiles, flying dinosaurs. Frogs are formed from fish. During a larval stages, during young one stages, frog look like a fish. It has gills, tails, and live in water. I think someone would raise the questions why nowadays apes are not formed a human beings. I already informed it's gradual development. It can take millions of years. Who is the father of evolution? Charles Darwin is the father of evolution. Charles Darwin postulates the theory natural selection. What are the features and need of an organism for the selection process of nature? Or natural selection is the driving force for evolution? How? It's a very important question. 5 factors is essential for the selection process of nature. First one, overproduction. Each and every organisms are formed from another organism. Each and every organisms would like to produce more organisms. Overproduction. Living organisms have the capacity to multiply in a geometrical manner. What is the meaning of geometrical manner? What are the difference between arithmetical manner and geometrical manner? Arithmetical manner means the 2 it will be multiplied as 4, but geometrical manner the 2 multiply as 8. Example: during breeding season, one salmon fish can be produced 28 million eggs. Oyster can be produced 80 million eggs. Sparrow can be produced 27 billion sparrow per year. Next factors, struggle for resistance. In Tamil meaning, irpukana poratam. The competitions among individual for food and space. The struggle for existence can be classified into intraspecific struggle, interspecific struggle, and environmental struggle. Example: struggle for life against the drought, struggle for food and space. One example I would like to convey in Tamil. தமிழ்நாட்டில் உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலி 5000 சீட்ஸ் MBBS சீட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா அதுக்கு எத்தனை பேர் நம்ம காம்படிஷன் பண்ணுறோம்? மோர் தென் 25,000 30,000. அப்போ யாருக்கு அந்த சீட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும்? ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு, அதிகமாக படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு, ஓகேங்களா, அதிகமாக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு தான் அந்த சீட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்ட்ரகிள் ஃபார் food and space. Variation. Next factors, variations. Differences in the characteristics among the individual of same species or different species. Example: we are living in tropical regions means our skin color is black. We are living in temperate region means the skin color white. In mountain sheep, it's having more fur. Fur means hairs. Why the sheep having more fur? For adapting cold conditions. And another one, in Kashmir, women are having a color rose color chin. Why? Because that area is having a low deficiency, low oxygen. So some blood vessels are present in the rose color chin, it can trap the oxygens from the atmosphere. Another one topic, survival of the fittest. So, fit organisms, it can be survive, overcome the unfavorable situation, survive and adapt to the surrounding. Examples, which bacteria is a first formed bacteria, which organism was first formed, archaebacteria. Archaebacteria is a very minute microorganism, but it can survive over millions of years. But dinosaur is the largest organism and the longest organism, but it can't survive. Why? Because archaebacteria can adapt for every climatic conditions, high hot spring, high salt condition, and high temperature. But dinosaurs can't survive even the 1-2 degree Celsius of temperatures has increased. Next factors, origin of species. The new species due to accumulation of favorable variation. Examples, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. These are the factors are the essential for the process of nature selection. So my dear students, it's a very important 5 mark questions.